Video to fix that this unlicensed Adobe app will be disabled soon, warning in Premiere Pro. And if you keep seeing this message preventing you from editing, this video is for you. Are you frustrated because Premiere Pro suddenly says your app is unlicensed, blocks features, or threatens to stop working, even though you have a valid Adobe subscription? This usually happens because of corrupted license files, Adobe Creative Cloud syncing issues, or outdated app installations that fail to verify your subscription properly. Most solutions on YouTube or social media are long, confusing, and full of risky steps like editing system files or reinstalling Windows, which can cause more problems. On Rexish, I focus on simple and safe fixes. In this video, I will share a secret easy trick that resolves the unlicensed app warning without losing projects or reinstalling the entire Creative Cloud. This method refreshes Adobe licensing, repairs Creative Cloud components, and ensures Premiere Pro recognizes your subscription correctly. It works on Windows 10 and Windows 11, keeps all your work safe, and takes only a few minutes. If Premiere Pro keeps showing this unlicensed Adobe app will be disabled soon, this fix will restore full functionality fast. If you want a full step-by-step tutorial showing every click and setting, comment below and let Rexish know, and I will guide you until Premiere Pro works fully licensed again without warnings.